Hello, welcome to Lenze training. This tutorial shows a basic machine with several conveyors. In this example, a project named PLC Base Motion PRG is opened. The controller 3200C serves as PLC device. When selecting Visue project, a basic machine diagram is displayed. This is the basic machine diagram of an ingredients filling station. In this example, empty containers are filled up with ingredients. The container comes in from the left side and is filled up. When this is done, the container goes out by the right side. The conveyor belt system consists of three distinct sections. On the left side, there is the input conveyor belt on which the container comes in. The main conveyor belt is in the middle. It transfers the container to and from the filling position. On the right side, there is the output conveyor belt on which the container goes out. In this example, the motor of the main conveyor is shown in the diagram. The motors of the input and output conveyor are not shown. In this example, the main conveyor will be programmed. The conveyor is running in speed control mode.